How to unsuspend the Twitter X account without appeal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Twitter, now called as X account, is suspended and you want to recover it without filing an appeal, in that case, first of all, check your suspension reason. For this, you have to review the notification from email from Twitter to understand why your account was suspended. This will give you insights into nature of suspension, which is temporary or permanent. If your suspension is due to specific violations like spammy behavior, abusive content, or policy violation, log in into your account. You will see a notification explaining the suspension with option to delete the offending tweets and comply with certain requirements. Make sure you follow each of the instruction. If it is a temporary suspension, you'll have to wait for some time and it will automatically get lifted. But avoid attempting to log in too frequently as this might extend the suspension period as well. Also, if your account is accessible, you have to update your profile details such as name, bio, and profile page. Additionally, you can use a different email or phone number as well. In contrast, make sure to avoid creating a new account immediately, as this can also violate the Twitter's rules and lead to another suspension. Instead, wait for some time and follow the official methods to reinstate your original account. While the steps may help resolve some suspensions, but it might not work for all cases, especially if you have severe policy violations or banned permanently. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.